infertility awareness, and the experience of struggling to conceive can present many stress-inducing challenges, challenging life situations, which have the potential to cause distress throughout the family building journey, ranging from uncomfortable changes at family gatherings to tackling emotional discussions in the workplace. To assist people through these difficulties, Dr. Alice Domar and Dr. Elizabeth Grill, both reproductive psychologists, are here to help. Good morning, ladies.
Thanks, Stephanie.
Hey, I got to tell you, I have been there. I had an infertility scare, if you will. I faced trouble conceiving and had a miscarriage before my son was born. And I can tell you the stress of that really takes over a woman's life. And that's where you ladies come in. You have an incredible way to provide that support to women everywhere who may be struggling with the same thing, right?
Right.
Absolutely.
I mean, infertility causes as much depression and anxiety as does cancer, AIDS, or heart disease. I mean, women going through infertility feel a tremendous amount of pain, whether they can't get pregnant or if they're having a pregnancy loss like you did. And so, you know, Dr. Grill and I are both reproductive psychologists. We see patients every day. And so over the years, we have realized the most common situations which cause pain to our patients. And so the purpose of our new app is to provide stress management and relaxation strategies for those exact scenarios.
Yeah, and obviously, as you said, this is going to help with the stress, but why did you choose to go as far as developing an app to help women out there?
So we developed it because we realized that there was nothing else like this out there, and so many people are using apps now. So it's not a substitute for going in and seeing a mental health professional or a doctor, but it certainly allows some of these techniques and strategies to be in your phone, in your pocket, anytime, any place, anywhere that you need them. So it's the same strategies that we use in our office with patients, and we've now been able to apply those to an app that can be held in your pocket. With a touch of a button, you can have access to over 500 different coping strategies that can help you feel calm, content, and in control anytime, any place.
So take us through that and how the app actually works. You know, once you start it and you download it, are you then immediately given advice?
No, it actually, what we've done is it looks like a lotus flower. And there are 12 sort of broad categories. So infertility treatment, family events, sex, work, the 2-week wait, things like that. And so if a woman's having, like, let's just say she's at a family event and her sister announces she's pregnant. And that causes an enormous amount of pain for many women going through infertility. So she goes on the app and she finds pregnancy announcements. I mean, she leaves the room, probably goes to the bathroom, finds pregnancy announcements, and then out pop 6 different solutions which are tailored for that moment. So that could be social solutions. So what can she say if she goes back to the table and then aunt says, you know, you're going to be next, right? Or cognitive solutions. She might be thinking, oh my God, it's never going to be me, I'm never going to have a baby, and there are ways for her to think differently. Or behavioral ideas. You know, what can you do when you leave the bathroom to protect yourself in that very situation?
Yeah, I can imagine the reaction from women has to be pretty incredible. Have you been able to gauge the response of people who've taken advantage of this app and
Absolutely.
how it's
Yes.
helping them cope?
The patients have been emailing us and writing us how helpful it is and how they're sleeping better at night and they're coping better and they feel like they can finally address the relative that's been so insensitive for so long, and they're not afraid to go to the upcoming holiday or planned Mother's Day coming up because they know they'll be able to deal with it concretely with some of these strategies in the app.
I have a patient emailed me yesterday. Oh, sorry. So I have a patient emailed me yesterday who's about to start an IVF cycle, and she said she just downloaded the app and went to the section on treatment, and she says she really feels like the app is going to support her every day of her IVF cycle.
Yeah, well, and I was
really
just going
nice
to say,
to
yeah, that daily support has to mean everything. And I don't think from the outside looking in that people realize the emotional roller coaster that comes along with infertility issues. You know, unless you've been there, I think it can be hard to kind of understand that emotional distress and those moments where you are surrounded by friends and family or people, and you're invited to a baby shower, or one of your friends is welcoming a new baby. So that feeling of loss when
we want women out there not to feel alone. We want them to feel like we really understand the pain they're in, and yet we have 500 different ways for them to feel better as they pursue their family building journey.
Yeah. Okay, ladies, well, what do we need to do to get our hands on this app?
Very easy. Go to ferticom.com and you can download it for free. all patients can access, all women can access it for free because of our relationship with Faring, who's made that possible. So you just go to ferticom.com and you can download it right there for the Google Play or the Apple Store.
And even better, it's free.
And it's free.
Yes. Head to our website
Yes.
for more at fox4morningblend.com.